Draw any shape of your choice for your candle stand and cut this piece. I made two more similar shapes using the stencil. Now I am joining all the pieces with the help of glue gun. I cutted these pieces and joined this using glue gun for the base of our candle holder. Now cover the sides of the candle holder using glue and paper. You can also use masking tape. Now I am making texture base using cement, glue and water. Now I am applying this texture base. I am applying this in the front portion of the stand, and after applying this I will keep my stand to dry for at least 5 to 6 hours. And after drying, if you find any cracks, you can fix it using glue. I am coloring this candle stand using blue acrylic color. Apply 2 coats of this acrylic color. Now I am attaching a mirror in my candle stand. This mirror comes with a compact powder, and this compact powder is finished, and I am using this mirror in my project now. Now I am making simple design using white acrylic color. Here is the final look. So guys, if you like this video, just give a thumbs up, and for more videos subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.